Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Aren't you so happy that sports bras have come a long way? This beautiful sports bra from Larsi is a beautiful, well-fitted, and super soft sports bra that really works. This sports bra has a high neck and it's for medium impact because for medium impact, I would say that this is absolutely perfect. It is completely wire-free, yet it has padding that helps you feel protected and feel like you can really move around in this bra. I really like that it has a band underneath where the bust area is, so it really holds in place while you're moving. The shoulders are super comfortable and it's made out of a beautiful soft fabric. The stitching on this bra is absolutely gorgeous and it's really well done. Also, I washed it in cold water and then hang dry and it comes out perfectly. I really love that this sports bra could be worn just on its own as like a tank, or you can wear it with underneath a top and it stays nice and seamless and looks really pretty under everything. I find it a challenge sometimes to find the right sports bra that works for me because I am a little bit larger chested, but I have to say I'm so impressed with this sports bra. It works for medium impact workouts with no problem, or you could easily wear it all day and feel totally comfortable. But that's my point of view.